drop track position and others get in front of you, you got a fight on your hands to get back up through. Doesn't seem to bother Rowdy Bush very much. He just seems to find holes that aren't there. And he doesn't seem to make them. That's not an Earnhardt strategy to be followed.
Did not come up to speed. Jimmie Johnson spelled trouble coming down in that green flag start, and that number 48 fell back.
Dramatically fell back for a moment. Now he's got it collected again, and he's underway. And almost the developments are here showing through.
Kenseth right at his heels, to the back straightaway.